Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paul Blue. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this common error in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. So here is the photo I downloaded from WhatsApp, and then whenever I try open it in Adobe Illustrator, I receive this common error message. So to fix this is what we're going to be doing. So I open my Adobe Illustrator. I go over to the photo. Whenever I import the photo in my workspace, you can see this error message on the screen. So to fix this is very simple. Please watch this video to the end. Like this video if this video helped you, and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. So go over to the photo, right click on it, click on the open with option, and then select pin. Soon you open with pin, you're just going to resave the file. In the upper left hand corner, right click on the three line, and then you save, click on save, and then save with JPEG photo. So the only thing you need to do here now is to save your photo, so you can rename it if you want to rename it, and then change the destination of your file. So for me, I'll just save it on my desktop, and then I'll rename this photo. Once I'm done, I click on save, and then I open Adobe Illustrator to reopen the save photo. On my desktop, here's the photo. So what I'm going to do now is just going to open my Adobe Illustrator and then reopen this save photo. So I'll click on open, and then I go over to my desktop where I save the photo, and then you can see the photo open. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, please like this video. Thank you so much.